Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you the coolest thing I have in my bathroom, which is this fast drying stone. I'm loving this fast drying stone. It literally dries in 1 minute. This is super practical if you want to use it either in your kitchen or in your bathroom. This is perfect to put dish soap, toothbrush cups, sponges, or anything that can even have water, since it absorbs the excess of moisture, preventing growth of mold and mildew. This not only is super practical, but it's super stylish and cute as well. It matches anything and you can have it everywhere. I want you to see that this absorbs the excess of moisture super quick. This allows your sink area to remain clean and declutter space as well. I love how this company packaged their item because they were very careful for it not to be scratched or broken, and I really appreciate that it's super easy to set up as well. This fast drying stone is practical, it's stylish, and I love its color as well. So if you're looking for that very unique gift, then definitely go for this fast drying stone that can be either used in the bathroom or in the kitchen, but that's just my point of view.